Hey everybody, Lucky here. Today I'm doing something new, and I'm gonna be doing a 3 a.m. challenge. It's currently 3 a.m. and I'm just playing some Rainbow Six Siege. And as you can see, I got this new nut button here. Nut. And that's actually gonna be the premise of this video. And it's basically gonna say, or be, don't touch the nut button at 3 a.m. And I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna be like so scared. I'm guessing, or it's gonna be scary. I guess. Like, I mean, like, you're pressing a nut button. I don't know what's gonna happen. All right, it's currently 3 a.m. and okay, let's try this. All right, I'm gonna turn off my light. Okay, now the light's off. Okay, here we go. We're gonna press the nut button. All right, here we go. Nut. Nothing's happening so far. Let's press it again. Nut. 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 Okay, I don't know if anything's happening. I don't hear anything. All right. I'm a little bit shaky, as you can see from the camera. Yeah. All right. Okay. That was bad. Alright, so nothing's happening again. Let's just press it one more time. Nut. Okay, so nothing's happening. What was that? What is this? The hell is this? What is that? Did that just hit my monitor? Holy shit, did this just hit my monitor? I mean, what is this? I don't even know what that is. Hold on. It smells like Kool-Aid. Okay. So that just happened randomly. I thought I just hit my monitor randomly. I was just looking around the room. And... Nut. Okay. I'm gonna press that one more time. Alright, I'm gonna get up and check out the room. Okay, it's really dark in here. The only light is from my monitor. Okay, we're gonna go check around. Nut. What the fuck was that? Did this just press itself? That's weird. I didn't even press that. Okay. Okay, that was strange. Let's go explore the room a little bit more. Okay. Doesn't seem like there's anything in here. Oh, what are those eyes? What are those eyes? Do you guys see that? Those are eyes. Holy shit. Those are eyes, man. That's creepy. I don't want to get anywhere close to that. I mean, look how creepy that is. There's eyes in here. What the hell is that? First, a bag of, like, Kool-Aid hits my monitor. And then, next thing, the nut button goes off by itself. And now there's a set of eyes in my room. That's creepy. And they're looking down where I sleep. Guys, this is creepy. Guys, alright guys, so it's currently 3:23 in the morning. And nothing bad has happened so far. Besides the set of eyes that I just saw. Yeah, that's it. How was that? I don't see anything down there at all. No, it wasn't my foot. That's creepy. I'm gonna move. Okay, don't mind that mess down there. Okay, let's press this one more time. Nut. Okay, okay, it doesn't seem like anything's happening so far. Okay. Hold up, I don't know if you guys heard that. I just heard a noise from the corner room. Well, I'm gonna go check that out really quick. Like, anyone else would. Any smart decision requires someone to go check in the room, or the corner of the room. Alright, hold on, let me go check. Nothing there. Right, let's go. Let's go play. What the hell? What the? What is that? What is that? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a second. Is that an elf on the shelf? Oh my god. How did I even get my chair? Wait a minute. I don't even think I own one. I don't even know, man. But how did this get in my chair? First of all, how did that get in my chair? Were you playing some Rainbow Six Siege on my account? Were you? Were you playing Rainbow Six Siege on my account? No, I see you staring at me. I see. That's pretty creepy. That's pretty creepy. That looks grainy as heck. That's really creepy. Okay. I don't really know what the hell, man. This is creepy. Okay. Oh shit, guys! It just moved on its own. Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Guys, the chair's moving now. The chair's moving. Oh my god! Oh my god, guys! The chair's moving. Oh my god! Oh my god! Guys, I don't know if the elf on the shelf's still there. Hold on. All right, guys. I just checked the front. Wait, no, the front. No, it's not there anymore. Where'd it go? Holy shit! Guys, I think I hit somewhere down here, but I don't seem to know where it is. I don't feel it anywhere, so I think it's gone. That's pretty creepy, though, that it just randomly disappeared from where I hit it, you know? Not creepy at all. Just, you know, just a little bit. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I'm a little bit freaked out. Okay, let's go ahead and sit in a chair. I'm about to play some Rainbow Six Siege. Oh, damn. Bloody hell, it has my nut button. Why do you have my nut button? What do you want my nut button? What do you want with it? You know what? You can have
nut.
Look at that.
Nut.
Oh no.
Nut.
You know what? You can have
Nut.
the nut button. No, you don't press the nut button.
Nut.
Oh no.
Nut.
He's strangling.
Nut.
Put the nut button down. I want the nut button. Oh no, he's strangling. He's strangling. Oh no. Oh no. I'm squeezing him to death. Oh no, that's pretty creepy. He's just staring at me now. Alright. I think he's gone over there. Alright. I think I'm safe. Gonna play some Rainbow again.
Nut.